energy they radiated.
Now that deserves a big round of applause.
Now in the third track, first up, we have the girls of 8th Godavari to make the stage their own with a performance on Namami Namami.
Then the little ones of UKG and First Standard will be grooving on the tunes of Banana Cha-Cha.
Next, get ready for a fun and entertaining performance on Tere Vaste Falak Seme by the vibrant students of 3rd Narmada as they light up the stage.
And the track ends with the revival of the timeless song, Main Nikla Gaddi Leke. Let's give a thunderous round of applause as our talented performers take the stage.
ನಟರಾಜ ನಟರಾಜ
ईश्वरनाट्य पूजितम् नमामि नमामि शङ्करपदवन्दितम् ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳ ನಾದ ತೋಂತನಂ ಪಾದಗಳ ಕುಣಿತಾಧೀರ್ತನಂ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಆನಂದ ಆಲಾಪವೇ ತನಧಿರನ ಧಿರನ ತನಧೇ ರಾಗ ತಾಳ ನಾಟ್ಯಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸುಂದರಂ ನಾದ ವೇದ ಕಾವ್ಯಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸುಂದರಂ ರಾಗ ತಾಳ ನಾಟ್ಯಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸುಂದರಂ ನಾದ ವೇದ ಕಾವ್ಯಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸುಂದರಂ ಸಂಗೀತ ಲೀಲೋತ್ಸವಂ ಸೊಗೆಯೋ